Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about square theorem. So we know that the range of cosine of 2 over s, that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. So now I will multiply by s to the power of 4 for the both sides. Next, I will put the limit for the both sides. We know that the limit of this one when s approaches to number 0 gone here, you got about 0. Similar for this one. Because on the right and on the left, they are equal to number 0. So that means the limit in this one should be equals to number 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.